Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world. It is no longer a concept from science fiction. It is a tool in our offices, a presence on our factory floors, and a force changing the very nature of work. Machines can now perform a growing number of tasks that were once exclusively human. This rapid evolution brings a new kind of uncertainty into the workplace. Many workers are beginning to look over their shoulders. They see the advance of algorithms and automation, and they start to worry about their own professional relevance and job security. This specific anxiety has a name: the AI displacement threat. It is the perceived risk that one's skills, and ultimately one's job, could be rendered obsolete by technology. This threat is not just a distant worry for a few people in specialized fields. It is a tangible, everyday concern for millions. Think of the graphic designer who sees AI generating stunning visuals in seconds. Consider the financial analyst whose data crunching tasks are now handled by sophisticated software. The feeling is a potent mix of uncertainty and vulnerability. It matters deeply because this psychological state can have profound effects on an individual's performance, well-being, and engagement at work. The idea that a threat can ignite creativity might seem counterintuitive at first glance. We often associate creativity with psychological safety, freedom, a playful state of mind. Fear, on the other hand, is known to trigger our fight-or-flight response, narrowing our focus and limiting our cognitive flexibility. This is what psychologists call threat rigidity theory. When faced with danger, we tend to fall back on old, reliable habits rather than trying something new. An employee worried about being automated might simply double down on their existing tasks, working harder and faster at the very things that are most likely to be automated, which is a losing battle in the long run. Yet, new research paints a more nuanced picture. When the threat is not immediate but looms on the horizon, it can serve as a powerful motivator for proactive change. The AI displacement threat acts as a wake-up call. It signals that the status quo is no longer sustainable. For some individuals, this realization doesn't lead to paralysis, but to a conscious effort to redefine their value. They begin to ask themselves critical questions. What can I do that a machine cannot? How can I solve problems more creatively? How can I leverage my uniquely human skills like empathy, strategic thinking, complex communication to stay relevant? This shift in mindset is the first step toward a creative response. This phenomenon is not entirely new. We see it in other domains. Industries facing disruption often produce their most innovative work. Artists under pressure sometimes create their masterpieces. The key is that the threat encourages a search for novelty. It pushes people out of their comfort zones and forces them to explore uncharted territory. An accountant who sees AI automating audits might start thinking about how to provide more strategic financial advising. A customer service representative might focus on building deeper emotional connections with clients, a task that AI struggles to replicate authentically. They are not just working harder, they are working differently, driven by a need to prove their indispensable human worth. However, it is crucial to recognize that this creative spark is not a guaranteed outcome. The psychological risks associated with the AI displacement threat are very real and should not be underestimated. The constant worry can lead to chronic stress, burnout, mental fatigue. It can erode a person's sense of professional identity and self-worth and damage team cohesion as individuals become more competitive and less willing to share knowledge. Unmanaged, the threat is far more likely to extinguish creativity than to kindle it. What separates an employee who crumbles under the AI threat from one who rises to the creative challenge? The evidence points to two critical factors that act as powerful moderators: intrinsic motivation, supervisor support. These two elements are not just nice-to-haves, they determine whether the pressure of displacement becomes destructive or constructive. Intrinsic motivation is the internal drive to engage in an activity for its own sake, because it is interesting, because it is enjoyable, because it is personally meaningful. It is the joy of solving a complex puzzle, the satisfaction of crafting a perfect sentence, the sense of purpose from helping a client. When employees are intrinsically motivated, their work is more than just a paycheck. It becomes part of their identity and a source of personal fulfillment. Faced with the AI displacement threat, they see it as a challenge to their craft rather than just a threat to their job. Their response protects their passion. They are driven to learn, adapt, innovate, not simply to keep their position, but to preserve the work they love. They proactively seek ways to integrate AI as a tool to enhance their abilities rather than view it as a rival. This internal fire gives them resilience to push through uncertainty and to channel anxiety into productive, creative exploration. Intrinsic motivation alone is often not enough. This is where supervisor support comes in. A supportive supervisor acts as a psychological buffer against stress and fear. This support manifests in several ways. Open communication, providing resources, offering encouragement, creating a safe environment for experimentation. A manager who listens to their team's concerns, clarifies which tasks are changing, champions opportunities for reskilling, can transform the team's emotional landscape, making employees feel seen, valued, empowered rather than abandoned and vulnerable. The interaction between these two factors is where the magic happens. An intrinsically motivated employee who also feels strongly supported is positioned to turn threat into creative advantage. The inner drive provides the will. The supportive environment provides the way. The supervisor's backing gives the employee the confidence to take risks, try new approaches, fail without fear of punishment. In contrast, if supervisor support is absent, even the most motivated employee can become demoralized. Their creative impulses will be stymied by a lack of resources, a fear of reprisal, or a feeling that their efforts are futile in an unsupportive system. Understanding the psychology of the AI displacement threat is one thing, acting on it is another, and leaders cannot afford to be passive observers. They must be active architects of an environment that mitigates fear and fosters growth. The steps to achieve this are clear, practical, and profoundly human. The first and most fundamental action is transparent communication. Silence and ambiguity are the fuel for anxiety. Communicate early and often about your AI strategy. Be specific about which roles and tasks will be affected. Be specific about what the timeline looks like. Be specific about what the plan is to support employees through the transition. Vague corporate platitudes are worse than useless. People need honest, direct answers. Second, aggressively invest in reskilling and upskilling. Don't use generic, off-the-shelf courses. Tailor programs to the organization's future needs. Focus on developing uniquely human capabilities. Critical thinking, complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, creativity. Teach employees how to collaborate with AI, use it to augment human ability. Provide paid time for learning to signal real investment. Third, train supervisors, not just employees. Don't just tell managers to be supportive. Teach them how. Equip them to be effective coaches and psychological safety nets. Train managers in active listening. Train them to deliver constructive feedback. Train them to facilitate team discussions about change and uncertainty. Supervisors are the front line in managing morale. Reward managers for developing people, not only short-term targets. Shift the manager role from taskmaster to talent developer. Give managers the organization's full support in that shift. The integration of artificial intelligence into our workplaces is inevitable. It promises unprecedented gains, efficiency, productivity, but it also casts a long shadow of uncertainty over the workforce. The AI displacement threat is real. It carries the potential to demotivate employees and stifle the very innovation that companies need to compete. However, as we have seen, this threat does not have to lead to a negative outcome. The fear of being replaced can, under the right conditions, act as a powerful impetus for creativity, pushing individuals and teams to reach new heights of ingenuity. The responsibility for creating these conditions rests squarely on the shoulders of today's leaders. The path forward requires a delicate balance. Leaders must acknowledge the legitimacy of their employees' fears while simultaneously inspiring them with a vision of a collaborative future. This is not about choosing between technology and people. It is about investing in people so they can thrive alongside technology. It means moving beyond a simple cost-benefit analysis of automation and embracing a more holistic, human-centric approach to organizational change. The companies that will flourish in the age of AI will not be the ones that replace the most people, but the ones that do the best job of augmenting their people and unlocking their full creative potential. This journey begins with a fundamental shift in the employer-employee contract. Instead of offering a promise of lifelong employment, which is no longer realistic, leaders must offer a promise of lifelong employability. This means committing to continuous investment in employee skills, fostering a robust culture of learning, and providing the internal mobility that allows people to adapt and grow as the organization's needs evolve. This builds a foundation of trust that is essential for navigating the turbulent waters of technological change. It shows employees that they are valued partners in the journey, not disposable assets to be managed.